The concept of parallel universes has captivated both scientists and dreamers alike for decades. The idea that our universe is not singular, but part of a vast multiverse, each with its own set of realities, laws of physics, and possibilities, is a mind-bending thought. The fascination with parallel dimensions is not only a staple of science fiction but is beginning to find a place in the realm of serious scientific inquiry. What if, hidden just beyond our perception, there are other versions of ourselves living out different decisions, different paths, and different lives? For centuries, humanity has been looking up at the stars, contemplating the vastness of the universe and the possibility that we are not alone in this cosmic expanse. But the idea that our universe might not be unique is one that has only recently begun to gain traction in the world of science. And now, emerging from the realms of abstract thought and the world of movies and books, the possibility of parallel worlds is no longer confined to the realm of fiction, it's slowly creeping into the realm of reality. This shift is one that could forever alter our understanding of existence. At the heart of this new wave of thinking is the theory of the multiverse, which suggests that what we know as our universe is just one of many universes that exist simultaneously. The multiverse hypothesis proposes that every possible outcome of every event, no matter how trivial, could spawn an entirely new universe where that outcome becomes reality. Every time we make a decision, take a step, or even think about something, it might cause a split in reality, giving rise to parallel worlds where different choices lead to different results. This is not a far-off dream or abstract speculation anymore, it's being considered with increasing seriousness in scientific circles. The notion that we are living in just one of a multitude of possible universes opens up the mind to new possibilities, possibilities that we never thought could be scientifically plausible. The discovery of evidence for parallel worlds and multiple universes might sound like science fiction, but there are many fascinating developments happening right now that suggest this idea may be more grounded in reality than we could have imagined. In recent years, quantum mechanics has been at the forefront of this debate, offering up a strange and mind-boggling perspective on the very nature of reality. At the quantum level, particles exist in a state of probability, meaning that they don't have definite positions or velocities until they are measured. This uncertainty has led to the development of various interpretations of quantum mechanics, one of the most famous being the many-worlds interpretation, MWI, of quantum physics, first proposed by Hugh Everett in 1957. Everett's many-worlds interpretation suggests that every possible quantum outcome creates a new universe. In this interpretation, when a quantum event occurs, say, the flipping of a coin, both heads and tails occur, but in separate universes. Each universe evolves independently from the others, but all are equally real. This concept implies that every decision we make, from the mundane to the life-changing, results in the creation of new universes in which those different choices play out. Imagine this scenario: you wake up in the morning, and your alarm clock goes off. You are faced with a decision: do you snooze for another 5 minutes or get up immediately? In the universe we experience, you make the choice and follow through with it. But in Everett's interpretation, both outcomes exist simultaneously, each spawning a different reality. In one universe, you sleep for 5 more minutes and are late to work. In another, you get up early, make it to work on time, and perhaps even have a successful day. In the vast multiverse, every possible choice we make creates a branching reality. This concept suggests that the path of our lives is not fixed. Instead, it is a fluid, ever-evolving web of possibilities, with new worlds sprouting up all around us as we make decisions. The implications of this are profound. If we truly live in a multiverse, then the very nature of our reality is far more complex than we've ever realized. Every single choice we make, no matter how small, could have the potential to create a new world. The idea of parallel universes and the possibility of worlds existing alongside ours is not just a theoretical concept. There's evidence in the field of quantum physics that hints at the existence of other universes. For example, experiments with quantum particles show that particles can exist in multiple states at once, a phenomenon known as superposition. This behavior suggests that reality itself is not as fixed as we perceive it. What we consider to be the present moment is actually just one possible outcome of an infinite number of possibilities that could have unfolded differently. Each possibility creates a different version of reality, a parallel world that exists alongside our own. But what about the tangible evidence of these other universes? What if there are signs, subtle clues in the fabric of space and time, that suggest the presence of parallel dimensions? In recent years, scientists have begun to uncover evidence that could point to the existence of other universes. One such clue comes from the study of the cosmic microwave background, CMB, which is the faint afterglow of the Big Bang. This radiation, which permeates the entire universe, contains information about the earliest moments of the cosmos. Scientists have discovered anomalies in the CMB that could be signs of other universes colliding with our own. The physicist Sir Roger Penrose has suggested that these anomalies could be the result of black holes from a previous universe, hinting that our universe might not have been born from nothing. Instead, it could be part of a cycle of universes that collapse and then give birth to new ones in an endless loop. This theory, known as the cyclic universe model, offers a compelling possibility that our universe may have emerged from a previous one, and that there may be other universes existing alongside us, waiting to be discovered. More recently, the James Webb Space Telescope, which is the most powerful space observatory ever built, has provided data that could offer further evidence of other universes. The telescope has observed galaxies that are so old, they may have formed before the Big Bang. This discovery could offer the first visible proof of Penrose's theory of a cyclical universe, in which universes are born, die, and then give birth to new ones. If this idea is correct, it suggests that we are not alone in the cosmos, and that the universe we inhabit is just one of many that have existed throughout time. Another fascinating possibility that comes from the study of the multiverse is the idea of interacting dimensions. Some scientists, including the renowned physicist Laura Marinitan, believe that our universe is not isolated but is part of a much larger multiverse. According to her theory, there are countless universes that exist alongside our own, and they may be interacting with each other in ways that we don't yet understand. These interactions could be subtle, perhaps influencing the way we experience reality without our knowledge. If this is true, it opens up the possibility that parallel worlds are not just theoretical, but could be affecting us in ways that we cannot perceive. Marinitan's research also delves into the concept of the dark flux, a mysterious movement of galaxy clusters that has been observed in the cosmic microwave background. Some scientists interpret this as evidence of the gravitational influence of other universes. The idea is that these distant universes might be exerting a force on our own, creating subtle distortions in space-time. These interactions could provide a glimpse into the existence of parallel worlds, where forces from other dimensions are subtly interacting with our own. As exciting as these ideas are, it's important to recognize that much of the evidence for the existence of parallel universes is still speculative. While scientists have made incredible strides in understanding the nature of the cosmos, many of the theories about parallel worlds remain unproven. The idea that we live in a multiverse is still a hypothesis, one that is supported by intriguing observations but lacks definitive proof. One of the most compelling arguments for the existence of parallel worlds comes from the Mandela Effect, a phenomenon in which large groups of people remember something in a way that is inconsistent with reality. This strange collective misremembering has led some to speculate that it is evidence of dimensional shifts, suggesting that we might be slipping between parallel universes without even realizing it. The Mandela Effect is named after the false memory that many people have of Nelson Mandela dying in the 1980s while he was in prison. In reality, Mandela was released from prison in 1990 and became the president of South Africa, dying in 2013. Yet millions of people remember him passing away in the 1980s, leading some to speculate that this is evidence of a shift between parallel universes. This phenomenon extends beyond Mandela, with other examples including the curious case of the Monopoly mascot, who is often remembered with a monocle despite never having one. These examples suggest that our memories may not be as reliable as we think, and that we could be slipping between alternate realities without even realizing it. Despite the intriguing nature of the Mandela Effect, it's important to approach these experiences with skepticism. While the idea that our memories could be influenced by parallel universes is a fascinating one, it's also possible that these misremembered events are simply the result of cognitive biases or the way our brains process information. In conclusion, the idea that parallel universes exist alongside our own is one that challenges the very fabric of our understanding of reality. The possibility that every decision we make creates a new universe, and that other worlds could be interacting with ours in ways we don't fully comprehend, is both thrilling and humbling. While there is still much we don't know, the evidence for a multiverse continues to grow. Whether through quantum mechanics, the study of cosmic radiation, or even strange phenomena like the Mandela Effect, scientists are uncovering clues that suggest our universe might be just one of many in a vast, interconnected web of realities. As research progresses, who knows what new discoveries await us in the realms of the unknown? The idea that we might one day step into a parallel world, or even create one ourselves, is no longer just the stuff of science fiction. It could be closer to reality than we think.